Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. I just wanted to make this short video because I'm going to be adding it to the one I just shot. Come grow with me. My name is Pumi, and this was what my garden looked like during the summer. As you can see, I know this looks like the shot is from a little bit far away from, but actually you can see I had some okra growing. I have some self-watering containers also out there at my greenhouse. I don't grow anything in the summer in my greenhouse because it's extremely hot and I don't want to be spending electricity to keep it cooled. So to the bottom right, you will see this is how I plant my tomatoes indoors, and you will see I have harvested a whole lot of tomatoes. I gave some out to my friends. And to the next picture right there to your right, you see I brought my tomato into the greenhouse. And here is some pictures of the okra that I harvested this past summer. I harvested a whole lot. I gave a whole lot out to my friends. And this is what the okra looks like when it's grown. It grows so tall. So I don't advise that you plant these in containers. It might stunt the growth. It's best to plant this in ground. I'm talking to you from experience. I tried planting this in a 5-gallon grow bag, and oh, it did grow, but I did not harvest as much okra as I had this year, And so for the past 2 years, I haven't bought any okra. Also, I had these containers that I had outside where I grew some tomatoes. Also, this 5-gallon bucket, and also you can see the other raised bed containers that I bought. Also, I tend to buy more of this and plant more when the season comes. Go ahead and see what's growing in my greenhouse. As you can see, it's extremely cold out here. That there are icicles actually formed on the greenhouse. As you guys can see, it's cold, cold, cold. Anyway, let's go on in and see what's growing in the greenhouse. All right. Lovely. The temperature in here is, I'm not sure if this thermostat is correct. Let's see if I can just look. The temperature in here says it's like 64. But if I take a look at my thermostat, it's giving me something else. It says the temperature is 64. Well, that needs to be stopped. It's a little bit low, so I might have to get something else to get that time. Anyway, that's not why I'm doing this video. Today, I want to take a look and see what's growing in in my greenhouse. You see there are a lot of tomato flowers. And here is a huge tomato, guys. Very huge, just waiting for it to turn red a bit before I harvest it. On this particular one, which I grew in this 5-gallon bucket, as you can see. Also, I have some peppers, lots of pepper. I'm just waiting for it to kind of turn red so that way I can harvest it. I have some marigold, and that's another tomato. The flowers look like no, the leaves looks like they're wilting, but this is the way these ones grow. As you can see, it's beginning to fruit right there. Smack in the middle is my bitter leaf. If you have not watched my first video, there will be a link to go watch my first video, and I talked more about the bitter leaf and then marigold. And here's some tomatoes, and here's this one is really thriving, this tomato inside this self-watering container. Self-watering container is the way to go, guys. So anyway, that's all I have to share today in the greenhouse. So until next time, because I just want to make a quick shoot a quick video to just give you an idea and see what's growing in the greenhouse. If you think I thought I didn't have green thumbs. So is it green thumbs? Yeah, but hey, I'm enjoying planting I enjoy gardening. So I am inviting you all also to garden with me. Until next time, take care of each other. Happy gardening. Bye.